Hey guys, welcome to the break. This is going to be the 2011 Prime Signatures break. I still got a few teams left. I'm verifying real quick to make sure I wrote down the right ones. Yeah, I did. All right, so if anybody wants these, let me know. They are $4 each. The Titans, Ravens, Browns, Chiefs, Chargers, Eagles, and Rams. So if anybody wants those teams, let me know. This is for the 2011 Prime break. If nobody wants them, I'll keep them. But obviously, if there's any hits in those teams, that's a quarter of the teams right there. I would keep those. So that's the Titans, Ravens, Browns, Chiefs, Chargers, Eagles, and Rams that are still available for $4. That's 7 teams. If somebody wants all of them, I could do them for $25. So you get almost one for. Actually, I'll do it for $24. If somebody wants all 7 of them, you get one for free. So Titans, Ravens, Browns, Chiefs, Chargers, Eagles, and Rams are still available. If anybody wants those, let me know. I'm just taking the packs out of the boxes. It's not quite 9 o'clock yet, but I'm just going to take the packs out of the boxes. So right after this at 10 o'clock, guys, is the playbook. The playbook break. So that's 2014 playbook coming up right after this. That's at 9:30. I'm sorry. And then at 10 o'clock, I have a case of 2015 Topps Chrome that I'm breaking. 2015 Topps Chrome right after that. So it's gonna be a busy night tonight. Friday night, I'll be breaking again. I will have a case of 2014 Topps Chrome. It's 2014. I'm trying to get more 2015. We'll see if I can get it or not. And then probably some more Prime Saves and some more Playbook. I do have 5 extra boxes of Playbook if anybody wants those tonight. Up for sale. So we got some nice stuff out of Playbook last night and out of Crown Royal. Last night, if you guys missed it, we got a Khalil Mack 101 auto 2-color patch out of Crown. So that was pretty cool. Hopefully we get something out of this. Out of this 10-box case, we started it last week. Was it last week? Yeah, I think it was last week. And we got nothing out of the first 5 packs. So let me let you, one more time, I have the Titans, Ravens, Browns, Chiefs, Chargers, Eagles, and Rams available for $4 each if anybody wants them. So do Titans, Ravens, Browns, Chiefs, Chargers, Eagles, and Rams. Last call for those teams if anybody wants those. Titans, Ravens, Browns, Chiefs, Chargers, Eagles, and Rams. $4 each if anybody wants them. If nobody wants them, we're going to start the break here in 1 minute. I got 8:59 on my computer, so it's the slowest clock I got. Give everybody 1 more minute to get here. I also had 1 unpaid team. Let me check 1 more time, make sure that it's still unpaid. If anybody's interested, I had the Atlanta Falcons. If anybody wants the Atlanta Falcons, let me know. They're going to be $8. You want them all, baby James? All right. It's 25 for all of them, baby James. Send it to that. I'll give you a minute. Let me know when you sent it. That way I could write down your information. $25 for them all, baby James. And I also had some unsolds in Playbook also, and I'm going to offer those up to everybody when we get to that break in about 30 minutes. It's on PayPal. Do you have PayPal, baby James? PWB3, baby James claimed them already. If he says he can't pay for PayPal, then you can have him. Let me give him a couple minutes to see if he can pay PayPal. If not, baby James, can you pay PayPal or no? Because if you can, I'm gonna give him the PWB3. All right. While he's doing that, I'm just gonna cut the packs open, guys. Not gonna rip any cards out though. These are a pain in the butt to open, so. Like I said, I'm expecting some good stuff out of these because the first 5 boxes we got out of the 10 box case, I was not too impressed. I think Sidney Rice and who else was it? And I can't even think of the other person. Mark Ingram were the best 2 autos out of the first half of this case. And the rookies we got were no good. Right after this, guys, I got a playbook. We got the 5 box playbook with the 2 boxes of a Crown Royal bonus. So if anybody, I got 5 extra boxes of playbook if anybody wants them. PWB3 right after this at 9:30. We got a 5 box playbook with 2 boxes of Crown Royal bonus break coming off. It's from eBay, but I have 5 extra boxes of these. 2014 playbook if anybody wants them. So I have 5 extra. They are 50 each or $240 for all. So all right, baby James, I'm gonna start ripping these. Hopefully you're sending that payment so you'll get these 7 teams. So I'm assuming you are. If you're not, I'll keep the cards. So all right, guys, this is pack number 1. Good luck to everybody. Pack number 1. Actually, hold on 1 second, guys. All right. Had to organize my trash situation for you guys. All right, the first card is Maurice Jones-Drew, 457 out of 499 going to Jacksonville. And then I got a Jonathan Stewart, 79 out of 99. That's a red prime proof going to Carolina. On the back, Eric Dickerson, 470 out of 499. So that one is going to be yours, Baby James, whenever I get the payment. And the auto, guys, good luck. Ryan Turan. Ryan Turan going to the Redskins, and that's a gold. 6 of 25. Ryan Turan, 6 of 25 going to the Redskins. All right, this pack looks thicker. It's not, though. Pack number 2, guys. Pack number 2. All right, I got Heath Miller, the Steelers, 14 of 499. All right, I got that, baby. Thank you. Let me write down this information real quick, guys. All right, CJ Spiller. Baby James, I got that. I just want to let you know. I'm letting you verify that I got that. CJ Spiller, 360 out of 499 going to the Bills. And on the back, we got a Colt McCoy. Colt McCoy, so that would be Baby James. Colt McCoy, 38 out of 499. And the auto, good luck, everybody. Oh, my God, look at that. Eli Manning going to the Giants. It's my first Eli auto right there. 5 of 25 going to the Giants. Told you guys, I thought there was going to be some bangers in this these 5 boxes here because we really didn't get anything out of those first 5. So, all right, for the Steelers, I got Hines Ward, 202 out of 499 going to the Steelers. And then I got a Rod Woodson for the Steelers again. That's a blue prime proof, so that's 19 out of 49. And on the back for the Panthers, I got Greg Olsen, 455 out of 499. And the third auto, good luck, everybody. Alex Green, that's another gold auto. Rookie, 25 of 49. Alex Green going to the Packers. All right, and then another one for Baby James. Sam Bradford, 348 out of 499. And then a Cowboys prime proof, Don Perkins, 2 of 49, going to the Cowboys. On the back, we got a Thurman Thomas, 263 out of 499, going to the Bills. And the fourth auto, good luck, everybody. Alan Bradford, 189 out of 199, going to the Bucks. I think that's his third one of those I've gotten in 2 10-box cases. But all right, guys, and here's the final pack out of this break. I got a Charlie Trippy, 409 out of 499 going to the Cardinals. And then for the Eagles, this one's going to Baby James also, 31 out of 99. Pete Retzloff, red prime proof, 31 out of 99 going to the Eagles. On the back, there was a Steve Johnson, 419 out of 499 going to the Bills. And then the last auto, good luck, everybody. Oh, man. Lim Barney going to the Lions. Lim Barney, 18 of 68 going to the Lions. It's got a little chip down there at the bottom, if you guys can see right there. But still, Lim Barney going to the Lions, 18 of 68. So let me go over all the cards again real quick for you guys. All right, we got Lim Barney auto. Pete Retzloff, Eagles. Steve Johnson, Bills. Charlie Trippy, Cardinals. Alan Bradford, Bucks. Don Perkins, Cowboys. Thurman Thomas, Bills. Sam Bradford, Rams. Alex Green, Green Bay Packers. Rod Woodson, Steelers. Greg Olsen, Carolina. Hines Ward, Pittsburgh. Eli Manning, auto, Giants. CJ Spiller, Buffalo Bills. Colt McCoy, Browns. Heath Miller, Pittsburgh Steelers. Ryan Turan, gold, prime signatures auto, rookie, Redskins. Jonathan Stewart, prime proof out of 99, Carolina. Eric Dickerson for the Rams out of 499. And Maurice Jones-Drew out of 499 for the Jacksonville Jaguars. I'll get these out by Wednesday. And they will all be in cases, penny sleeves and cases. Was anybody interested in 5 boxes of this, guys? Or any boxes of these? 2014 playbook. 2014 PWB3. No, it's not. I have. Let me type up the list, and then I'll let you guys type who you want. There'll be a package price for this too, so if somebody claims they want all of them, they get all of them. I actually got 6 teams left in this. Yeah, Jedi, it's 5-2 just like last night. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teams at 7 each. Or if somebody wants all of them, I just like adding those 2 extra boxes, Jedi, because there's only 10 cards in these 5 boxes, and I feel like that's barely anybody gets cards. I don't like that. So I like to add those 2 boxes of Crown Royal because it's 40 more cards and you guys get more stuff. So it's nice hits and more people get more cards. All right, so I got 6 teams. They're $7 each, or $38 for all. If somebody says they want them all, they get them all. If not, I'll split them up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there you guys go. So remember, I got 5 extra boxes of this stuff if you guys want it. All right, PWB3. Some of those teams are pretty good, so. It's these 5 and these 2. So it's 7 boxes. It's 5 boxes of Playbook 2014 and 2 boxes 2014 Crown Royal. So, and in the Crown Royal, we got a Khalil Mack 1/1 auto 2-color patch last night. It was pretty sick. We got an Odell Beckham Jr. Redemption last night. The Playbook, almost everything we got. All the autos were pretty sick last night. All multicolor patches. So, yeah, it was pretty good stuff. He beat you to it. I think I got some teams that are unpaid for. Actually, I do. We got 15 minutes before that break's supposed to start, so let me send these people some messages and let them know. Yeah, I got 4 of them that are unpaid right now. I gotta give these guys about 10 minutes to do it, though, so. I got it, Paul. Thanks. All right. While we're waiting, does anybody want a box of these? 50 a piece or $240 for all 5 of them. Let me know if anybody wants one. 2014 playbook. That is shipped, obviously. Opened on camera. So if nobody wants these 5, we'll use them in a break later this week. Like I said, Friday night, I'm going to do the 2014 Topps Chrome break. So if anybody's interested in 2014, then I'm trying to get some more 2015. The case I'm breaking tonight at 10 is the last case I got of that stuff. So hoping to get some more. Hoping. So. All right, you guys give me about 5 minutes. I need to stop the cast and then restart it so I can break up the videos for the guys on eBay. Just refresh me in less than 5 minutes. I'll be right back on, guys. And I'll let you know if those 4 teams didn't get paid for, so I'll be right back on.